Hi, my name is Pablo Tosta, and I'm part of the Tulip team. And today we're going to talk about what's important about balancing a production line or a value stream, as some people call it in the, using the lean lingo. So typically in production, you have a value stream that's broken down in different stations. If you have a very manual process, you would know that station one does the first step in the process, and then station two, and then at the final station, you would have a person that grabs all that product and packages it all up, right? One of the important things about this process is balancing the time that people spend touching the product. It's basically balancing the cycle time. You can also have a combination between machines and manual operations. Maybe you have a quality station in between, et cetera, et cetera. So typically how people do this, and historically and traditionally, you would go out into the production floor with a stopwatch and a clipboard and observe what people are doing, and then say, okay, the person grabbed this shoe or PCB board or whatever product you're producing, and you start your stopwatch and then collect some of the data, write down some notes, and then end the cycle time, right? In that sense, it only gives you a snapshot of your production. You don't have a real, you only have like a visibility for like half an hour or an hour or so for every production line, which then you can go to Excel or under other tool and then graph that out and then see, okay, this is my bottleneck, station 3. And then the process continues on and see like, okay, what's the root cause of this bottleneck? With a tool like Tulip, you can actually do it in real time. You can set up a tablet running an app and then have the operator scan a barcode or press a button on the screen or press a physical button and start the cycle time. And then have real-time data that's being collected throughout the day and divide that by shifts and then correlate that with environmental conditions. And then have more insight, but it's actually real-time. It's effortless. Once you create a dashboard, then you would have all your data and then dive into details and improve your process and iterate on that process and make it better every single day.